Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm gonna get these stickers off here so I get the screws out. This is Disassembly, as promised. I think these big screws I'm going to keep. Because they can come in handy. Anyway, the only thing came in the mail today, other than the newspaper, the free newspaper, was the heads to my toilet bowl cleaner, the scrubbing bubbles toilet bowl cleaner heads. So tomorrow we should have an unboxing, because according to you know who in there, and according to Amazon, I have a package with about 3 or 4 things in it coming tomorrow, including both of our adapters. So we should be able to get the DVD VCR and the PS2 working tomorrow. So tomorrow will be an exciting day. Tonight, of course, we have Kid Missing Radio. So I'm glad I have 2 vlogs already in the can and ready to go. Okay. Next. Let's tip this up this way. Okay. I hate that these stickers got put on, but you know. I am probably the one that did it. Can't complain too much. I am not going to take the drawer tracks off the inside of these pieces. There's no reason to. I just want to take the carcass apart and take the drawers apart. At any rate, I did see in the newspaper that Mr. Garrett passed away. He was my cousin's neighbor and dear friend. He was 90. Sweet, sweet couple. I send my condolences to Mrs. Garrett, to their children, to my cousins, grandchildren, I think they were great-grandchildren. It was sad to see that. When he was a kid, my cousin used to one of my cousins used to do his he wouldn't let him do his own shoveling. Even though Mr. Garrett tried, I was like, he's like, no, Mr. Garrett, I'll be doing it. Thank you. Because obviously he was just too old, you know, and my cousins were raised better than that, so they would go over and make sure that the Garapees were dug out and snowstorms, and I think these are the last two of these I have to deal with. Unless there's some in the drawers, but I don't think so. Okay. Yeah, it's cold today. But yeah, I'll keep those screws because you never know. Those are nice screws. I actually broke one in half. And I got to meet the Garapees when I went over there. I brought them food from one of our holiday meals. And I'm so glad I got to meet them because they're really the nicest people. And I met their son, and you know, and I feel bad. Even though I know he was 90, it's still sad, you know? Alright, break it again. Oopsie, sorry guys. There we go. Once again, there we go. It's okay, that's all right. Now, I'm going to put these away so I don't step on one. Because yeah, that would not be good. Okay, yes, I'm going to put these. In my tool drawer. I was actually looking at this the other day. Okay. Next up, we take a drawer. See why people don't do this. It just takes a second. Especially when it's put together with these little cam locks. Okay. And where are the cam locks on this side? No, screws on this side. Okay. More of these giant screws. See that? those screws when I was put together the desk, you know. Okay, there we go. 3 more to go? 3 more to go. Let's do this standing up. Okay, guys. Let's do this in here. Okay. Now this is easier this way, guys. Yeah, please watch for the link tonight and listen in to Kid Missing Radio. Gonna be a great show. And there we go. I'm actually surprised at the quality of this thing, considering that the lid wouldn't lock on. But the rest of it is pretty high quality, you know, in terms of two down, two to go. You know, in terms of these huge screws and stuff, I'm impressed. Oh, my neighbor brought me a meal again. Brought me chili. Told me I was on my own tonight because it's fish and chips night. And he's very Catholic, so you can bet that's what he's eating. As is most of this town. I'm an outlier when it comes to Catholicism because in this town. Okay. I'm sorry I have my back to you guys. I don't have a choice when I'm doing this. I have a Royal Rumble 1994 review coming up after this video. Obviously, the two that are already in the can are going to go up first. So later, you know, when it actually goes up, but whoops. Okay. Now this part's the easy part. Give it a quick twist and pull it off. These are the little can locks. And I don't understand why people don't do this before they throw things away. I mean, just a couple of seconds, it's done. What's the big deal? Certainly saves room in the dumpster. Whoops. We're on the last one, guys. Like I said, it certainly saves room in the dumpster to do it this way. So find out when my friend is going to come and get this freezer. I also have to call fuel assistance and find out if they got my paperwork for the change of address and the change of fuel type. So I do have stuff to do the day before. Give me some radio. Pull that up. Pull that out. Don't fall. Please don't fall. Okay. And what you do. There we go. And the last part. The last two locking screws. The last two locking screws. Come on. Get out of there. What the heck? There we go. Okay. Now we got a cam screw here. Okay. That stinks. Alright, I'm gonna put my shoes on and start taking this out. You better not say a darn word because I disassembled the whole thing. Alright guys, I will be back to show you my clean kitchen and living room once I take all this. I'll be back. I don't know whether I got any of that on tape or not. We're going to have a small Walmart haul. And hopefully my neighbor is going. I was able to ask him to take me with him. I am sweeping my floor, which is a never-ending job. And it's where people come in from the outside. So there. I actually swept the carpet too and pulled it out here so that I could just sweep it up because I vacuumed yesterday. So I didn't want to vacuum again. So that's it, guys. Watch this. As I mentioned, Mr. Garrett passed away. That's sad. I think I also mentioned that. They liked my pie. Admittedly, it was a little falling apart. These away. These screws could come in handy for stuff, so. And they're nice screws, so. In my tool drawer. So. Let's go check and see how this video is doing. It's probably up. In actuality. I also have to record, which will go up tomorrow, the February updates. Tried doing it yesterday, but it didn't come out on the card I had. So, you know, crap happens. Publish. Okay. Next up. life and channel updates. I usually give you a good mix of those, and with our other videos anyway. To get that logo for the Royal Rumble so that I can and I'm also, while I'm here, going to get this year's logo. There, now I have both. For my review. Oh, I know guys. I can't believe that's bent already. I guess it's not really bent. I mean, it looks like it is, but so yeah, I'll get my steps today. I didn't get them yesterday, but you know, you don't get them every day necessarily. I'm going to end this vlog here, change your battery, do my Royal Rumble review, then do Kid Missing's updates. So have a wonderful rest of your day. God bless you. And he blessed us with lots of sunshine. Although this time of year, that usually means freezing cold. Anyway, I will see you next time. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Please click like, subscribe. Please share the videos, watch from beginning to end. It all helps YouTube to show me to other people. Thanks, guys. God bless you. Bye-bye.